ang Lunes, amo na ito 81st anniversary of the Leyte landing. By the way, a few years back, ginliwat ito nga Leyte landing ng provincial government. Ginsirig nga Leyte Golf Landing. Incorrect ito. Dili ito husto nga Leyte Golf Landing because golf is a body of water. Nagland ba ang mga Allied Forces on terra firma? Ito na, dire tubig. So, it cannot be called Leyte Golf, Leyte Landing. Di na mo sila maglanding, ha, palo. Why? The three towns were color-coded by the Allied Forces, especially by the Americans. Tacloban was White Beach, Palo was Red Beach, Dulag was Blue Beach. Now, MacArthur landed at Red Beach kay he was protected on the left side when he entered, no? Left side Tacloban by the White Beach forces and on the right by the Dulag Blue Beach forces. Amo ito nga. Pero diri paluan iya ko ang destination Tacloban good. But he had to land at Palo, diri at Tacloban. Kay di at Tacloban, diri na siya mapo-protected on the other side. So she had to land in the middle. And that is Palo Red Beach. Now, in 2 o'clock good siya inabot di daha Palo Red Beach. And that is when he gave his very historical speech, I have returned. And by the grace of Almighty God, I have returned. Because, as I said here in my report, March 18, 1942, nagsiring hiya, I shall return. October 20, 1944, MacArthur said in Palo, I have returned. So, historical ito. You know why? 81 years na. 96 ako. So, 96 minus 81 is 15. I was 15 years old. Pares kami, Mrs. Marcos. Kay Imelda became 96 July 2. I became 96 September 3. 2 months lahiya ka older hapon. Parehas good kami nga kuan edad. So anyway, kami nga tanan hiram Mrs. Marcos kon nilimunteho damo kami nga we were always in a group because MacArthur when he landed here in Tacloban and then dito ako Price Mansion and he stayed there for 1 month. Dinhi nga niya nagpasko kay October man inabot. Naabtan yan kuan diri lang kay 1 month from October 20 to mga January 6 din hiya ako Price Mansion and kada kulop na kada hiyambal kunahin at Price Mansion nagpipipa kami ng mga girls tikang hahuli Infant Academy harani man lahat Price Mansion nang nandalagan kami dida kada alas 5 dida kanin Kalye del Pilar kay del Pilar may kuan Price Mansion del Pilar nganin Kapitan. So nagbababay kami kan MacArthur tapos naman kami nga ako nagkukan niya bagay naharap siya nga I love you girls. Tapos naman kami you come down susus kay linong sagod yung pagharukan kami hagdang kami nga tanan. Imelda gimpakanta god anya Imelda nagkantahin God Bless the Philippines. Now with MacArthur was Irving Berlin. Irving Berlin is a famous composer and he composed the song God Bless America. So Irving Berlin told us, no, you cannot say God Bless the Philippines. I did not make that I did not compose that song. I composed God Bless America. But I will compose a new song for you. Filipinos. And nag-compose siya, Heaven Help the Philippines. Right there and then. Ginpakanta niya Imelda. Until now, himam, nakakinungdo pa ganyan words. Heaven help the Philippines. Da, 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 da. Amo ito nakakanta. Anyway, so come back to October 20. And pag-abot ni General MacArthur kuan beach was a very decisive, a very intensive decision. He was the commander-in-chief kay 5-star general hiya. Hiya ang commander for the Asian war zone. Tapos ang chief of staff of America, the chief of staff of the Navy, of the Air Force, of the Army, wanted to attack Japan directly via Formosa. Formosa is Taiwan. Okay. Pero, si MacArthur, believe good hiya nga, hindi good ang Pilipinas. Why? Because Colonel Ruperto Canglion, who was a very famous military man in Leyte, was always in mga kasayuran, mga yakan-yakan with MacArthur na when MacArthur left for Australia on March 18, iya gintugon Colonel Canglion. Colonel Canglion, you stay here in Leyte and you head the guerrilla forces here. Do not be captured by the Japanese because I need you. He left a radio equipment to Colonel Canglion. Naninginsaring niya nga, you tell me everything that is happening there. So, what I could dakop Colonel Canglion by the Japanese. So, he told the general nga, Leyte is the safest place to land. Why? Of all the provinces in the Philippines, Leyte had the least Japanese forces. Waray good mga damong hapon din niya Leyte. So, it is good to come to Leyte. Kay Leyte liwat, kay facing man the Pacific Ocean. Masayon good ito pag deploy hit mga forces to the Far East. And so, primero, di rin nasugot ang chiefs of staff, even of the allied forces of Canada, kay Canada, Australia, bulig naman Amerikano in the fight against Germany and Japan. East, ngadto Europe, ganina, ko Amerika, and Germany, dinhiaton ang Japan. So, di rin karuyag nga maagya Pilipinas, pero nag-insist good MacArthur, and MacArthur said, if you do not do what I am, if you do not tell me to do what I am suggesting, you choose another commander-in-chief. Diri ako. And so, sinugot na rin because MacArthur knew na the Philippines was the right place to start the liberation of the Far East. Di naman nagtikang halit yan. Diri ka liberation of the Philippines la. Of the Far East. Imagine nga, kaumanira pagko naton, nakakanto na gudhirahan Japan, naka-capture na gudhira. So, kuang gudhira, very the least, Leyte, the least, casualties. Di man ako nag-din surat, nag-research man ako yun eh. The toll from the campaign was heavy. The Japanese counted 80,000 dead and 800 captured and wounded. On the American side, 3,000 died, 11,000 were wounded. So, kuan inin gusto gud ni MacArthur nga nganhin it was the greatest naval battle in naval history and late the Gulf kuan nga naval battle kay pira ka ships of the Americans and ships of the Japanese. You know how many ships were here in Leyte? 843 ships. 840 ships and 203,000 men of the 8th Army under Lieutenant General Walter Kruger. At 10 a.m. October 20, 1944, on the carrier Nashville, General MacArthur watched 4 divisions as they stormed ashore on the Leyte beaches, virtually unopposed. Waray good baga hapon nga nakani. Waray wrong era ko ang decision ng mga Japanese. So at 1 o'clock that afternoon, MacArthur was on the Nashville. He rode on a itong detail nga vapor o nga itong baga baroto o di lagad baroto lancha pick up niya President Osmeña who was on another ship. President Osmeña was accompanied by General Carlos Romulo and several others, General Basilio Valdez, Colonel Antonio Madrigal, and Serapio Canseran. Okay, these were the people, mga mga sangkahiguro ni Quezon, because President Quezon, diba, nag-migrate siya nga to States, dito siya mamatay. And then, Sergio Osmeña Sr. was his vice president, and so when Quezon died, kay Osmeña, anak president of the Philippines. So, on October 20, 1944, MacArthur declared na Philippine Commonwealth was reinstated in the Philippines. By the way, at pag atakehan mga Japanese sa aton, our government was a Commonwealth of America, of the United States. So, MacArthur, on October 20, he declared the re-establishment of the Commonwealth government of Leyte. And then President Osmeña also declared the re-establishment of the Philippine government right there in Palu. And he appointed Colonel Ruperto Canglion as the first interim governor of Leyte. So, declared na nga ma-open na natin ng gobyerno. So, after that, ang mga forces, ang mga Amerikano, sinunod na Tacloban. Sus, nakadagod ako, kami Grand Kapitan. Pag-abot, sulod ko ng mga Amerikano nga nagkukuan, ng lalakat, nasulod na Tacloban. Sus, namang kalipay. So, nasman akong bugto. Ay di na pag lukso-lukso kay bangin makitang kay hapon. Apa ba ila damo naman sa Amerikano. So, sus, damo nakasangkay kami, nakasangkay ako yung usa. Badaw, nagdarahin usa nga truck nga asukar nga sa balay. Ako nga, uy, diri ako makakarawat hindi mo asukar. Siya, no, you give it to your friends. Sus, popular ako yung Duro Haliti High School.
Pero saan kay Ladto?
Ha?
Saan kay Ladto?
Oo, 18 years old lalo siya. Baga, nangaray hira they wanted to have friends with the Filipinos. So you introduce me to your friends. So damo niyan sangkay kay nagdaraman ng asukar.
So experience na yung mami during American invasion, mga buotan ang kanuhay.
Of course, was the best. Pero ang mga hapon, buutan liwat. Marami ka na kuan na amon. And you know who were the cruel invaders? The Koreans. Kay ang Japanese army had Korean soldiers. Kay Korea was under Japan had too. So, ang mga Korean good ang mga magsalbahes. Pero ang mga apo diri manhira baga. May anamon nga ni neighbor hapon. Tapos ang paglakat na nila kay nasabot na hira, maabot na ng mga Amerikano kay on October 19 nakadto kami late high school, third year kami. Ang eskwelahan namon ang Rizal kuan pa elementary school may kuan may Santo Niño ba. So an American plane nagkabati kami na kuan lupad nga niya over Tacloban. Pag lingi ko kita kuhan American flag, sus naginuliat ako. Adinahan mga Amerikano. Sus nakadlo ka nakbugto siya. Iday, dapat hapon na atong eskwelahan. Ay, di na paglinurog. Di mo niya lalabtan. Mga buutan lotan mga hapon. Waray manira magkuhan na amon. So, Christina used to say, you know, Tita Bering is the only one who saw MacArthur here in Tacloban. Kaya, waray man para sa nakulidad. Nga din, kuan ko din duro. We are thankful that we were liberated. Pero after that, naupay naman lahat ang Japan. MacArthur really did a good job in Japan. Hiyaman ang nag-rehabilitate ang Japan. And Japan became even a very strong nation. Even militarily. Kuan ko niya, upay ko niya ni MacArthur. So that's the long and short of our 81st anniversary of the Leyte landing. Pero waray pang hininga oras. Alauna pa inabot tira. Inabot na ang Hinduro by October 19. Daw mo Hinduro ang mga mga ships. Kay 800, more than 800 good. Tapos ginag-shell ng Tacloban. Gin-shell kami ng Tacloban. Ang among kusina na ruba. Dito kami na katurog amon kuan. Ano yun? Shelter ba? Dito kami na katurog kay ang amon balkon totally man simento. Ilarom dito ibutan kami ni Papa. My father was a dentist. So dito kami.
Ang bombings, bisnala din nabumba o may mga target
Hino na buba.
ang mga nag-aatake hadto during those times?
Waray man atake nga niya Tacloban.
Oh.
Han mga hapon.
Oh.
Waray, oy.
Han pag-abot mga liberation forces led by
Waray.
MacArthur.
Waray good dito lah ako dito palo.
Palo lang.
Dire Tacloban. Han pag-abot gud nira. Waray good man liwat. May damon ships and Japanese pero mas damo ang hakuan. Allied forces. I don't call them the Americans kay I have to say Allied forces kay base maupod ang Canada and Australia.
Daw
Kanan.
matera.
Other European countries nagbulig yun to liberate not only the Philippines, the Far East, and ultimately Japan. I-invade yung good nila ang Japan. Kung ano good nila. Atake yung good. And don't you know, when MacArthur graduated from West Point is the military academy of the United States. When he graduated, his first assignment was the Far East, Philippines, Tacloban. Nakanhita, when he was a first lieutenant. So, pagkakita, from the, nagsurat niya, from the ship. He was looking at Tacloban through a telescope. Siya, I remember when I arrived here when I was a first lieutenant, and now I'm returning as a 5-star general. Makarit ganun iya pagbalik.
Mami, ano ang reaction han mga taga Leyte han pag ulpot mo din mga sundalo ng Amerikano?
Oh, so sa pagkalipay good. Americans good na amon gusto din kami karagin Japanese. Especially my mother. My mother, no one, until she died, no Japanese could ever enter our house.
Kay ano?
Kay akong brother and the Dr. Felicissimo Benedicto, iya nga ni anak, Sinayda Amping, anak kada nga, konsekretary ni President Bongbong, Sinayda Benedicto Amping, akong tumangkon. Tapos, ang akong brother, Dr. Felicissimo Benedicto, namamati man broadcast, han American broadcast, kaya sakpan. Nagipang-presyo raw, and imagine he was placed in a nakagawas nga ni,
Stakid.
bagahin, kung lahin,
Bagan hawla.
bagahin, enclosure, nga, too short, or too low, he cannot stand up, too narrow, he cannot lie down. For 30 days, he was in that
Bagay
kind
yung
of.
Bartolina?
Bartolina, good mamay. Tapos, dire kita tagayin mo pa yung pagkaon. Bagayin ayam, din i-channel na naman yung pagkaon. For 30 days, he was like that. And mama, dire ko siya nakaka-accept sa mga hapon. Kontra good niya.
Grabe ano.
No, I mean, it is really something nga. Di ba ko, you will never forget. Tapos ang iya ayam, namatay kay nagkikinuan na lang, sniffan iya sapatos.
Han pag-ulpot han mga Amerikano, nagkaadahin gira at tumis.
Dito, waray din sa Tacloban.
Didi ha, kuan.
Dito sa Palo, hantikan ni Nahirasol. Kaya dito man lahira nag-concentrate. Pero dito ha, kuan dagat, puwerte ang kuan na,
Bombahay.
bumbahay na. Tapos, 178,000 soldiers landed at Red Beach. Before MacArthur arrived, kuan na unopposed, virtually unopposed. Magawaray gud may inatong mga kuan hapon ng tago. Yanago hira. Pero asahay may snipers. Amo dire kami naglilinakat kay bangin kami maiguliwat. Pero amo ako nga nakagraduate ako in temprano kay October 20, waray gud kami klase na. Pagka abutan mga Amerikano, pagka January, tikang naluat kami. Tikang liat kami, di rin na 3rd year, 4th year na kami. So, nagtikang na kami 4th year. Sama na, mga at the age of 15 pa ako, I graduated from high school.
Ano kabutang hadhan mga taga dinhi ha? Leyte, taga Tacloban, hadto nga time nga waray pan Amerikano, pero mga Japanese na din.
Pero amo gadlak gihapon. Akon papa was a dentist, damo na kuan haya. Sus, nakakwarta gud hendurohan liberation kay ang mga negro karag magpabutang full teeth nga gold. Nagiiringgat hira. Takay papa kay damon iya gold coins nga Spanish. Tapos sus kadamon iya kwarta, nakakwarta gud henduro. Kay my father was the first dentist on the island of Leyte. Ilocano hira nga papa and mama ko. Kay when my father graduated nga may ada ko ang degree in dentistry, he wanted to go to a place where there was no dentist, and he was told, you go to Leyte, there is no dentist. At that time, the capital of Leyte was Carigara. So dito hira Karigara. Tapos pag kuan na Tacloban na became the what you call this, the capital, balik na hira Tacloban. Oh, by the way, the first capital of Leyte was Basay. Why? Because years ago, Samar and Leyte were one landmass. Usa kita nga landmass. So and Basay part of Leyte. And I think there was a terrible earthquake na separated the part na imong Samar nakita Leyte. That's why there is a very parallel distance between Samar and Leyte. The San Juanico Bridge is 2.16 kilometers. That is how near Samar is. Had to American consul na kanhi in official travel to Leyte and Samar. I told the consul Ifsin, you take a car, you cross the San Juanico Bridge, you begin with Leyte, you will end up in Samar. So you can put in your report, I visited Leyte and Samar. Kaya, pag abot mo Santa Rita, Samar naman ito. Kaya nakakanta ng Samar.
Mami, katapusan gera. Paano liwat na baguan? Paano pinabuhi ang mga taga-linya?
Naupay, like my father, narikugol kami kay kadamo hindi uro kuan yan gold teeth. Ganin mga dentures ba?
Habatan iba,
Upay kay kadamo hindi panghatag sus marsep. Sige hatag kay damo man ira gindara. Basta we had a better life under the Americans than under the Japanese. Kaya mga Japanese, mga mag-isog man. Kaya ang Amerikano, democratic man. Democracy man nga. They respect the right of every individual. MacArthur stayed here for more than 1 month. I am reading his autobiography. Itiya book, The American Caesar. So, dito kadakbol, warang gulot makakahuman. Tapos di naman ako nabasa, kaya ada nala ko iPad nga na, YouTube, Netflix. And iba, na-displaced yun during the Japanese time. So, nakabalik yung hinay-hinay la, pero di rigod baga gulpi. Amo man la, pero ang health, damon hiragin buhata ka mga hospital. Upay gud kay kuan gud damo gud on hatag sus makadto ka kuan airbase damo kuan man may daman mga base di da San Jose, may daman di da mga base di da nga di kami nasayaw kami ang folk dancer Himelda and soloist.
Anong mga leksyon? Anong mga leksyon may nga imo ginhatag ha imo mga anak, ha imo mga apo, mga leksyon ba nga hadto nga gera?
And the main thing was that you must be able to and accept different cultures in your life. Pagkatawo ko, ang ako kakantaha, istilahan, God bless America. Kaya we were man under the Americans at the time I was born. Pero at the time my parents were born, mga Spaniards. 100 years man ang Spaniards, 50 years ang Amerikano. So Americans naman ako. Then in 1946, President Rojas declared independence. So from 1946 up to now, we were singing the Philippine national anthem. And that is another kind of culture. Tapos, in English na good. Mas ma-open in English namon after the liberation. Kaya ang Japanese time, di rin man kami ng papa in English. Kaya di man kami lahat ng chindihin hinapon. Puro kami nililinibak na mo nila, di ba nakakainchindi.
Mami, hain mo pagkita, naiintindihan ba ang mga kabataan, yan na, ginhimo ba nga pagsakripisyohan natin mga veteran ato nga gera?
Don't you know, until now, our children do not really realize because they are not informed by their teachers about the Leyte landing.
May ano din mo gusto, kuan? Ano din mo gusto nga mensahe mo ba nga dito mga kabataan? Kaya na.
That we must not take our freedom for granted because anytime we can lose it. And so, they must know what it means to be free. Kay kita, mga bataan yan, they don't realize nga we are in a democracy. And tapos in a democracy, may dagot politika. So, nakukuha nila itong politics so their parents are very much involved with political activities. Now, some people will say, karautin politika. But if there is no politics, how can we participate in government? It is only through politics that we elect our leaders that we can participate in our government, di ba? Kaya otherwise, dictatorship. And the children must be able to appreciate what it means to be free. And freedom does not mean license. License to talk whenever you like, to talk no matter how wrong it is. Very good ito. And there is a limit to freedom also. And akong parents, they were born during the Japanese time. So, they were born in Ilocos, my mother in Ilocos Norte, my father in Abra. So, they spoke Ilocano and Spanish. Then, they went to Manila. They were raised in Manila. They spoke Tagalog. They came to Leyte. They spoke Waray. And then, when we were studying in Manila, karag ang akong mother and father, magsusurat kami haira in English. So we bought them a Spanish-English dictionary. And they learned both English. So, kuan good in the different cultures also affected the way we communicated, the way we behaved. Kay under the Americans, pwede kuan freedom, and some people think that freedom gives them the license to do what is wrong. No, there is a limit to one's freedom. You have to, basta kasawa. Ako babayero ni Doro. May rest in peace. Nasiman ako. If you must do something wrong, you do it right. Siya, what do you mean right? Number 1, you never have children except mine. Number 2, you never you never sleep anywhere else but on our bed. Number 3, you never bring your woman to the mall. Makita namong ganing imong mga anak, sambunutan ginamos buhok. He did all the wrong things, right? And he died peacefully. May rest in peace.
Ano di mo gusto mahanumduman nga diri makalimutan hanya na ba nga mga generation han iyo luwat hadto henerasyon ano di mo gusto nga diri gulito dapat hangalimtan namon yan na han iyo generation
and
pa
amon freedom to do what is right. The freedom to do what is right. Diri lang nga freedom to do anything. The freedom to do what is right. And now, our children must know what it is, what is right. Now, it is up to our educational system. Amo ta kung karuyag ito nga may good manners and right conduct. Kaya na itong mga kuan bastos na hinduro. Di rin na nasabot how to respect elders, how to behave in public, what to say, when, and where. And ito, pagbiste, kuan ba, pagliwan. Tapos ako, may naman ako, kuan, senior citizen organization, din Tacloban, the SCATSI, Senior Citizens Association of Tacloban City, in kada once a month may da kami kuan event ha, Ritz Tower. Sigit ballroom dancing. Pag susulod, daw, ang era mga bado hatun mga 40 years old pera. Di na panggamit mga spaghetti, kuan, straps, mga astil, mga bilbil, nagkakagawas, sigilan mga maghuot, ganin mga halipot. Ang halipot ako, na hadlo kira, mapagana, ma-attend kita bering, gilaw, ayaw ka mo paghalipot kay kakasinahan ka mo. Ako nga, kita nga naglalagas na kita kamo mga 60, 70, 80, di pa ito lagas good. Pero lagas-lagas na ito. And you must dress the way a 60, a 70, even 80-year-old will dress. Di rin nga, nakikita natin mo panty. Kay may ada. Nahadlok ko hapon. Pagbalik niya, naglunggaw na. Si Adam, hindi ko rin maglulunggaw na ako. Kay, you must do everything right. Di rin ka magpapa. Pero, ito na iba, kay di rin man karag bumayad hindi ay. So, ito mga nabayad sayo hindi ay, nabayad man. Nasa ko, yan na, nga tanan tindog, sayaw, baski wari ka mo di ay. Susit iras kong sugad. Enjoy good hinduro. And I like it. I like it. I have been drinking your product since I was 15 years old. Pag-amutan mga Amerikano, ang nagpagtigang pag-inom Coca-Cola. And so, for the past 70 years, 70, I have been drinking your product. Every other day, my daughter in Cebu calls me and says, Mommy, stop drinking Coke. Remember your health. And you know what I answer her? My dear, nothing has happened to me yet. Ang duhang Amerikano, tinadto stage harukan ako. And I have been drinking Coke ever since. Di man damo. Pag inumitak mga medisina, di nakakatulon kundi rin Coke.
Ayan na.
No. Hadtong tatagan ako nila. Oh, kuan ako ask ako invite ako to be an endorser. Pero ang endorser, himuan kunuhin. Ako nga, billboard, hitakritrato. Tapos masaring kuno ako. I have been drinking Coca-Cola for the past 70 years. Nothing has happened to me yet. Di man ibubutay ng mga billboards. Di na katanan ko no all over the Philippines. Oy, sus! Siya, patangan ka man kunin 1 million a year, maski 2 million na rin. Ito retrato nga, 85 years old.
Pwede mo, 1 million.
Di na ko. Karawod. Sus,
But
meron
all
siya.
the food.
Kay Madil ka dito.
Makarawod.
Pero yan, item
Yan na nga, hindi na paritrato. Dahil skatsi, halat paritrato nila. Kaya di kayo mo ka na paritrato, Tito Bering. Pagkakita ako na masaring, mahusay man inihad to. Mga ito, sisungung ka. Mahusay man inihad to. Eme. Kani.
Kay Mahusay man yung hadto. Pati yan.
Pero in terms of food, Mami, may
Ha?
nakaman control nga.
Kani kuan akong duha nga retrato, an nakaton amon kuan. Tapos an duduha nga an mahusay pa ako.
Tayo kamit Mahusay pa.
Yes.
Eat food, usual ba nga may kanon nga sura or you
Maski
do?
ano,
Ah,
Basta,
Lechon.
don't you know? Oh, I like lechon. But everything you must do in moderation. Moderation means not too much, not too little. In everything you do, you think, you feel, you eat, everything must be in moderation. Kadi,
Diba?
ini, 60 years old ako. Di ba mahusay? Mahusay pa dito sa New York. Akong brothers na consistent.
Yan ay mami. Picture ako
Mama
ni
ito.
Kahusay ni
Kahusay
mami.
pa. Kani, ini. Hindi naman ito anak yung mga anak. Ako, 70 years old. 90 years
So
old.
pretty.
Tama, ganun profile sa
90.
Facebook. Ano?
Sa Facebook.
Mm-mm.
90 years old.